Hey guys, it's Christine here from Perfectly Balanced Body. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite way to release the bicep femoris. We're going to start with the long head, and because the hamstring complex is just such a dense group of muscles compared to some of the other ones, I actually prefer using a lacrosse ball as well as using this pin and stretch technique. I just find that it's a little bit more effective than just staying on it in a static position. If you don't have the ability to be elevated with your legs hanging, obviously you can still do it on the floor and still get somewhat of a release, but I just personally find this a lot more effective. So what you're going to do is you're going to find that rope leg tendon right on the outside of the knee. You're going to follow that up about a third of the way into the hamstring. It's where the majority of these adhesions are. You're going to roll around with your body, not just your leg, until you find that most tender point. Once you do, this is where it gets tricky. You actually have to move your body back about 1/8 of an inch. So right now, if you can see that, the adhesion is now behind the lacrosse ball. So when I straighten my leg, that adhesion gets pulled through that tiny gap between the lacrosse ball and my femur. So we're using that small space to kind of shave down that adhesion and break it apart. What you will notice is if you find a really gnarly one, when you try and squeeze your leg, it starts to shake because the quad can't get a full contraction because of the restriction of the muscle length with that adhesion on the bicep femoris. So you're just going to do enough reps of this until you can work your way through all of the jumping legs and get a really, really good quad squeeze, and then do about 3 to 4 more reps. And when you no longer have that bouncing foot and that pain has decreased, or you feel that melting sensation underneath, then you can move on to your static stretches.